welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I forgot to record the intro for my video, and I don't know why I keep on doing that nowadays, but in this video is all over the place, but I'm gonna explain to you guys what's gonna be going on in this video. So I toured two apartments in one building and one apartment in a different area. So what you guys are going to watch right now is me touring the amenities first, and then apartment 1 and apartment 2, and then the next day I went grocery shopping. You guys are going to see a whole of that. And then after that Sunday I went to tour another apartment, so you guys will see the other stuff that I explained after that. So I was explaining what you guys are going to watch right now. So thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoy the vlog.
You have favorites, huh? Yeah. No, don't piss me.
And that's my grocery haul. So me and my sister just came to Goodwill. There's a new location close to where we live, and we just wanted to see what's in store because it's known for thrifting. So let's see what's in Goodwill. was nothing that good over there. So I decided to make cookies. I'm gonna be making chocolate chip cookies, and I have the recipe off TikTok. I'm just gonna be watching it from this guy and then make the cookies. You guys come along. Those really look so good. You guys, the cookies are ready. This is good. But do they taste good? That's the question. Those look good.
And I want that one.
And then these ones. It's actually good that I separated them. They would have changed out.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, Stranger Things.
So the cookies are finally cooled down, as you guys can see. I've never made cookies that look this nice. But you guys don't mind how I look right now. Shut up. My sister is in the background. But let's try this cookie. It's good. That was a crunch taste.